Welcome, health enthusiasts, to another exciting episode where we unravel the secrets of wellness. Today, we're diving into the Banana Bonanza, exploring the surprising health benefits that come with making bananas a daily part of your diet. Let's peel back the layers of nutrition and discover why this potassium-packed fruit is a true game-changer for your well-being. First up, let's talk about the incredible energy boost bananas offer. Packed with a perfect blend of complex carbohydrates, natural sugars, and dietary fiber, bananas provide a steady release of energy throughout the day. No more midday slumps, just pure, sustained energy. But that's not all. Bananas are a potassium powerhouse. This essential mineral is key to maintaining a healthy heart and regulating blood pressure. So, by enjoying a banana a day, you're not just pleasing your taste buds, you're showing love to your heart. Now, let's talk mood enhancement. Bananas contain tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter. Regular consumption can contribute to an improved mood and an overall sense of well-being. Happiness and appeal, if you will. Bananas are also a digestive dynamo. Packed with dietary fiber, they promote healthy digestion, prevent constipation, and keep your gut in top-notch condition. Say goodbye to digestive woes and hello to a happy, thriving digestive system. For those of you hitting the gym, bananas are your workout wonder. Whether it's a pre- or post-workout snack, the carbohydrates provide a quick energy boost, while the potassium helps prevent muscle cramps and aids in muscle recovery. It's a natural and delicious way to support your fitness goals. Bananas are not just a treat for the inside, they work wonders for your skin too. Packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants, bananas contribute to healthy skin, combating the effects of aging and leaving you with radiant, youthful skin. Consider it your daily beauty boost from the inside out. In conclusion, the Banana Bonanza isn't just a tasty fruit, it's a wellness powerhouse that can easily become a daily habit. Whether you blend them into smoothies, slice them onto your morning cereal, or simply enjoy them as a convenient snack, the health benefits of bananas are undeniable. So, peel, eat, and revel in the surprising goodness that comes from making bananas a part of your daily diet. Your body will thank you for it.